Hi friends, we visited Silver Bells Central School, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh on 5th November. As part of our Mission Health India awareness journey, it was a truly wonderful experience to interact with the students and spread the message say no to drugs. I sincerely thank the principal, teachers, and school management for their warm welcome, kind support, and engagement. The students were full of energy and interest throughout the session, gave us a great hope for a brighter future. So, together we can build a stronger and healthier nation. ഇനി മിഷൻ ചെന്നൈയിൽ പുതിയ വിശേഷങ്ങളുമായി വരുന്നതാണ്. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ. താങ്ക് യു.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, my dear students. I am Abdul Ghafoor, coordinator of Mission Health India. Say no to drugs. Can you say? Say no to drugs. Our mission purpose is, I feel proud to mention that I am the grandson of freedom fighter whose dedication and sacrifice for our nation always inspire me. His spirit motivates me to continue serving our country in a different way by protecting our youth from the dangers of drug abuse and guiding them towards health and discipline. Today I am honored to be Tirupati Silver Bell School. I am truly thankful to the respectful principal, teachers and management for inviting me to conduct an awareness program under Mission Health India. My dear students, drug abuse is destroying lives. It starts slowly. Drugs do not give happiness. They steal your future. They take away from your peace, your confidence and your purpose in life. I have seen the pain many families closely, so I decided to fight against drugs. I wanted to prove that at the age of 50, I can still rise, train and stay strong, and that every student can do. It is result of discipline, practice and clear purpose. The same qualities you need to success in life. I do all this to inspire you. Health is wealth and fitness is power. Even one wrong decision can destroy a lifetime effort. Choose your friends wisely. Be with those who lift you up. Build your body, build your mind. Play games like cricket, football, volleyball, karate. Whatever makes you active and strong. When your body is fit, your mind becomes sharp and your confidence grows naturally. Are you ready to little warm up? 5 minutes. Press your nose and you take deep breath.
All of you.
And please